another regulation for my clients, IHM Maintenance. So now we receive a purchase order with the question to deliver MD and SDOC documents. Here's how it's done when NautilusLog is not involved. Your client places an order, and in return you need to check if the purchased articles are relevant or not. Do you have this in-house expertise? The in-house hazmat expert or nominated person then manually decides if it is relevant or not. The same process is potentially repeated for every placed purchase order. When the relevant documents are incomplete or not responded, the supplier relationship with your ship client can cause huge damage because they will face deficiencies. Now that you know the process of document management on the supplier side, we show you how NautilusLog can do it digitally. Simply click, connect, and we take care. After the order is digitally shared with our IHM Maintenance platform, the purchase orders are easily and automatically fed into our system. The NautilusLog system integrates hazmat expertise knowledge, speeds up the process, learns and recognizes patterns, and removes potential errors. The review for relevance appears automatically and will be used for all your clients, whenever and wherever you deliver materials. Also, the ship managers benefit from this automated process, only requesting potentially IHM relevant documentation from you. You as supplier can access the files in an organized order through your individual landing page and set validity and reuse periods to prevent future requests. The validity of documents means the NautilusLog system will recognize your provided articles on behalf of all your clients in the future and automatically connects earlier attached documentation. We say click, connect, and forget. Here's how you benefit. No need to hire experts in-house for document sharing. Save costs. Continue to offer your clients trusted value. Remove paper and work from your desk. Allow your relevant documentation to be accessed 24/7, 365. Start today. Use NautilusLog to digitize and atomize your IHM documents business.